is what is given. The first given the normal rectangle alpha is equal to 0. Okay, clear. And the ratio of shear strength, that is tau s to the work material Ps is equal to 1 minus mu into r upon 1 plus r square into r. So this is I have to calculate. And what is this r? This r is known as a cutting ratio. Okay, ठीक है. Now what we have to do, we know that tan phi is equal to r cos alpha upon 1 minus r sin alpha. Okay, this point we know that in a very efficient manner, and we have used this formula a number of times. So I think each and everyone is familiar of this formula, that is tan phi is equal to r cos alpha upon 1 minus r sin alpha. Clear? So now I can put it here, that is alpha is equal to 0. So when I put alpha is equal to 0, it will become tan phi is equal to r cos 0 upon 1 minus r sin 0. Okay, so it will becomes, that is tan phi is equal to r. So this is our equation number 1. Clear? So I can put here the r is equal to tan phi. We do not have any problem when I put the value of r is equal to tan phi. Clear? Now just start doing some fundamental work. That is, from the merchant circle I can write this fs is equal to r cos phi plus beta minus alpha. Yes, I can write out again, so that I can write out the fs is equal to r cos phi plus beta minus alpha. And we know that I can also write fc is equal to r cos beta minus alpha from merchant circle, from this triangle. Okay, if I'm going to give the name of the triangle, so the triangle o a b c d. Okay, so if I am going to take a triangle odb, so I can write fs equal to r cos phi plus beta minus alpha. If I am going to triangle oab, so I can write it real is equal to fc is equal to r cos beta minus alpha. Up to this point किसी को कोई problem नहीं होनी चाहिए. Okay, now what we have to do, now replace the value of r. Okay, so put the value of r in this equation. So I can write out here fs by fc is equal to, और आप divide भी कर सकते हो, so 5 plus beta minus alpha over cos of beta minus alpha. Now I can write out again fs is equal to fc cos of phi plus beta minus alpha upon cos beta minus alpha. ठीक है, up to this point I do not think कि किसी कोई problem होगी. Okay, now we know that. Okay, so this is our equation number 2. Now we know that the shear stress or the shear strength of the work material F tau s is equal to fs by as. As is bt over sin phi. So I can write out here the value of fs. It will become fc cos of phi plus beta minus alpha into sin phi upon bt into cos of beta minus alpha. So tau s is equal to this fc, over vt. Okay, this fc over vt. This is known as, we know that, we already know that this is a specific energy of cutting or a specific energy of the specific energy cutting pressure. So I can write out here fc over bt की जगह मैं लिख सकता हूँ ps. Okay, so now I can write out here fs by ps, fs by ps is equal to cos of phi plus beta minus alpha into sin phi over cos of beta minus alpha. This is our equation number third. Okay, this is our equation number third. क्लियर है? अप टू दिस पॉइंट आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी. हमने क्या किया? जस्ट मेक अ मर्चेंट सर्कल डायग्राम. ओके, देन then we know that the tan phi is equal to r cos alpha on 1 minus r sin alpha. In the problem it is already given that the alpha is equal to 0, and he said that the relationship between the tau s and ps, that is the shear strength of the work material to the specific cutting energy. So specific cutting energy क्या होती है हमारी? That is fc by bt. Okay, and shear stress क्या होता है? Okay, so tau s is equal to fs over dt into sin phi. ओके, एंड पी एस को हम लोग लिखते थे यू से. क्या था? एफ सी ओवर बी टी इंटू 1000 जूल्स पर एम एम क्यूब. ओके, so this is our ps and this is our tau. Clear? So just put this value. Now the formula comes out to cos of phi plus beta minus alpha into sin phi over cos beta minus alpha. Okay, cos beta minus alpha. Now time to, so I can write out the equation tau s by ps is equal to cos of phi plus beta minus alpha into sin phi upon cos of beta minus alpha. We know that alpha is equal to 0 and mu is equal to tan beta. Clear? We know that. Okay, we know that mu is equal to tan beta and alpha is equal to 0. So now put these values in this equation. Okay, so put these value, so it will become tau s by ps is equal to cos of phi plus beta into sin phi over cos beta. क्लियर है? क्लियर है? यहाँ तक किसी को दिक्कत होनी नहीं चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, sin phi over cos beta into cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b, we know that cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos of phi plus beta, I can write it here cos phi cos beta minus sin phi sin beta. Clear? Cos phi cos beta minus sin phi sin beta. क्लियर है? अप टू दिस पॉइंट आई डू नॉट थिंक कि किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए अप टू दिस पॉइंट. So now I can divide this, so it will become sin phi bracket into cos phi minus sin phi into tan beta into tan beta. Okay, into tan beta. So now if I going to put the value, it will become sin phi into cos phi minus sin phi into mu is equal to tan beta. So it will become tau s by ps is equal to sin phi This is our equation number 4. Tau s is by p is equal to sin phi cos phi minus sin phi into mu. ओके, अब हमको लेकर क्या आना है, हम यहाँ तक पहुँच चुके हैं, लेकिन हमको लाना है जो हमें आंसर चाहिए, वो आंसर है 1 minus mu r upon 1 plus r square. So I can put in place of r tan phi. Okay, so now I have to make all this thing as a tan phi. Clear है? So what we can do it, uh, we have a place at this point. Okay, so now the first thing I'm going to erase. Okay, so from here I'm going to here. You can see that I'm going to here. We are going to at this point. Okay, so tau s by ps is equal to sin phi into cos phi minus sin phi into mu upon, I can write down here sin square phi plus cos square phi. Sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to 1. किसी को कोई दिक्कत होनी भी नहीं चाहिए. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to just make the value as a tan phi. So sin phi over cos phi will become tan phi. Okay, so here I am going to write out sin phi bracket cos phi minus sin phi into mu over, if I am going to take as a cos square phi common, so it will become sin square phi upon cos square phi plus 1. Okay, so if I am going to take cos phi from this section outside, so cos phi to cos phi cancel out, so it will become sin phi over cos phi. This is tan phi into 1 minus tan phi mu over 1 plus tan square phi. Clear है? I think up to this point you do not have any kind of confusion. So I can write out here the value of tan phi is equal to r. Tan phi is equal to r. So it will become tau s by ps is equal to r into 1 minus mu r upon 1 plus r square. Okay, so this is a relation what we are trying to do. 1 minus mu r upon 1 plus r square into r. Okay, 1 minus mu r upon r square into r. So hence proved. Hence proved. So this is our answer. This is our answer. A very simple question, generally asked in the examinations. Okay, generally asked in the examinations. So you can easily see that what we have done. We have done nothing. We have just put this value in this equation and we find the results. Okay. So at the initial level, when you read the problem, what is asked in the examination? It is a very big deal. No, it is not a very big deal. We have already solved this type of problem. Okay. So what we have to do, just brush up our concepts and use this concepts in this equation and we can easily get the results. So what we have to do, we just make the merchant circle and then show the different forces and different angles in this diagram, and then we have put alpha is equal to 0, then tau s by p is equal to 1 minus mu r upon 1 plus r square into r. This is tan phi is equal to r cos alpha upon 1 minus r sin alpha, and put the value of alpha is equal to 0. So tan phi is equal to r. This is our equation number 1. Then what we have to do, just we have to find out the shear stress. So for the shear stress, we have to know about the shear force. Okay. So what we have to do, F is equal to r